guys, I hope everyone is doing well. And in today's video, I will walk you through my automation that I built for it. It has particularly 3 to 4 things it is doing. First thing is it is generating a blog that is that is related to my goal, that the type of blogs that I wanted to make. I adjusted it for that, but you can customize it by simply adjusting some of prompts of these LLMs. And First thing is this: it is generating blogs and then publishing it to my Supabase. Then my front end side is getting those blogs from Supabase database and displaying in my website. I will show you my website as well. This is the first thing, and after that we have in our website we have a category where section where people can subscribe, like they give their email so that whenever a new blog comes, they get a notification. So for that we are getting those readers or subscribers from our Supabase, and then on every blog submit, every blog publish, we are sending a personalized email for each of them with a blog link so that they read it. This is the first thing of this automation. And another thing is it is then generating an X post tweet, according to that blog that generated, and then posting it with a link to our X account. And third thing it is doing, it is doing the same thing for LinkedIn. It is generating a post for LinkedIn and posting it there. So let's start with the first one, which is a blog. So there are two ways I can tell you. I think I can walk you through these things. If still you have any issue, you can tell me. I will create from scratch as well. But I hope you will understand everything by just if I walk you through everything. So you already know that this first node is for triggering workflow. The second one is Supabase. You have to create a Supabase credential. For that, you just have to go and sign up with Supabase, which is a database kind of thing. And then you just get this thing. This is your account ID, and these things are same. You just need to replace this account ID from Supabase. It will show you like 1 second. I think it is not logged in here. Let me show you 1 second. If you come here, this one, you will have a project ID like this. You copy this project ID, come back into your n8n here and just paste in here, and then you will get a secret kind of API from Supabase settings. Let me show you how you can get that one, so that you can easily do this thing. Okay, it was either here or here. Let me check. Yeah, it's here. I think it is here. So, no, it's not here. Project settings. Yeah, it is here. API keys, and you can copy this one, either this public one or this one. This one is required, secret one. Just copy this one and connect it with your n8n. It will be connected, and then you will search for if you click in here and you search Supabase, there are multiple actions you can perform. But for this first one, what we are doing, we are using this get a row, get many rows. And why we are using this, the purpose of this is to get all the previous upload, let me show blogs from blogs table in Supabase. We are getting all the blogs that are already published, so that our model do not generate repetitive blogs that is already generated. So we are getting those blogs here and then aggregating into a single list. Let me run it side by side so that you can easily understand. Let's first run this one. Okay, it is getting some of the previous blogs like this, name and everything, content, etc, in the form of this thing you can see. Okay, this is the structure of our blog. It is getting all the previous blogs. The purpose of this is simple. We need unique slug for every blog, because this is also our URL of our blog. So okay, we are done with this. Then we aggregating into a single list. Like, we just needed this title to tell model that these are the blogs that are already published, and you need to generate a new one. Okay, list is ready. Now next we have to do is just use this RSS, which is used for getting updated news, recent news from all over the web. They provide it, and you just have to update this thing. Everything will be same. You just have to change these parameters, and these depend on what you require. In my case, I wanted information or news around AI automation, workflow automation, agentic systems, GPT integration. You just need to replace this section between these two braces, and just type whatever you need, like n8n plus means or make.com plus integro made, and everything whatever you require. Just update this thing and URL will be same. This will get us some of news. If you run this, let me show you. Okay, this kind of 100 news we are getting from this, and there you can see this. There are 100 of news. Every news has its published date, so we can next filter it out for recent news. Just for I am filtering it out for just very recent news that are published around like 1.5 of month, or maybe you can adjust this thing, and so that I just get one or two like news, not much or not older one. Okay, so it is discarding 78 and just getting 22 which are published in recently. And then what we are doing is just let me show you, like getting data in this structure. Title is coming from where? From here. Okay, this news coming in this structure. We don't need all of these things because this has a lot of things. If we see this let me show you, there are a lot of values, but we require only these four things. So we are structuring it using code, simple JavaScript, and we are getting this structure now: title, link, content, or publish date. These four things we require, so that our actually we are passing this information to LLM next to it, like here. So we want a minimal and a useful things to pass, not everything, so that our like context length and everything remains minimum. Okay, so here is a prompt. Here you have to modify it for your case, but what I am doing is just asking it to write a blog post for my website, which is lead to AI. Let me show you that as well. Okay, so let me show you some of blogs it generated in this section. These all are generated by AI. You can see a list. I have not tried a single one. Okay, I'm mentioning that you are a blog writer, content writer for this company or this website, and you will be provided with these things, and you have to do these things, provide a JSON valid structure, and these kind of things we are mentioning, or we are telling what type of things you have to focus on. Like we are telling it that what kind of content you must include and what kind of content you must avoid. So next we are giving it our input, and this was our user message, and here is a system message where we are telling that again the same thing, and we just like what blog must have, like this thing, and then we are giving a structure of blog that we want. First of all, we need a hook, then use case, and then outcome within 300 words. Okay, this is our first model that is giving us a draft kind of thing. Okay, if I run this, you can see here is our draft is generated. We ask for a particular structure that we need: title, slug, excerpt, content, draft. These things are like generated as an output, and next we are just extracting that into valid JSON, and it's just giving us separately. It was like not a valid JSON. We just transform it to a valid JSON structure, and now we have these four fields. Next we use these things, like this weight is just for because I'm calling multiple times this Groq API, so there is a limit you can request in particular time frame. So I'm adding this weight for some seconds before calling it again. And next what we are doing, we have a draft now. Next we are asking a model to like complete this draft. Okay, 1 second, let me run this one. It will just wait for some seconds there. Okay, so this model is doing expanding that blog into full length of article. Okay, previously we had a draft, we are giving it like research topics, slug, and excerpt. Now we are asking for expand it to around 600 to 800. Okay, now if we run this, we will get a little like length of this blog will be increased from that draft. You can do it with a single LLM, but I tested and I found this way better results, so that I'm using this flow. By the way, you can do everything in your own way. I'm here to just tell you that how you can use these things, and it is a so powerful tool. It is not just for these automation, but it is a complete. You can make a complete backend of websites using just n8n without using any backend language or anything. Okay, so here we get a result. Now it includes this think tag. We have to remove this next, so that we just get the actual result. So for that we use this JavaScript, and it removed that this think tag from here, because we are using that DeepSeek model, I guess, that has a reasoning factor. So we need to remove this section, and then we're getting this one. Okay, next again we are using wait for a few seconds, and yeah, after that we have another LLM. And this is the purpose of this one is to review what is what is generated, cross check it if there is anything mistakenly happened. We need to correct it before publishing. So this one is for that. There is a system prompt, like you are a quality assurance AI editor responsible for reviewing and finalizing AI generated blog articles, and this and that. We give it a complete story. And now if we run this, it will cross check this generated one and give us a furnished one, like this one. This is our content for blog. And next if we go, so this one is for, again I guess it is just for making it a structure in a JSON structure. Now we have everything we require: title, slug, content, excerpt. You don't need everything. I need this because in my front end website I require these fields. Like if you come in here and open particular blog, I require these tags, this title, this excerpt, or this then content section. If you need just content, you don't need everything, you just need this one. Okay. Again now next we have this HTTP request, and purpose of this is just to get a new based on these tags we are getting an image from unsplash. Okay. We are This is a URL. You just have to pass your tags here, and it will give us an image that we can use for our blog automatically. Okay, there are a lot of fields. You just need this one. This includes a URL of the image. Let me show you that as well, how it looks. Okay, our blog was about, you can see, automating sales forecasting. Okay, now let me show you. This is the image that it extracted, or you can say scrapped from Unsplash using their official API. Okay, next what you have to do is, now everything is generated. We just need to store it to our Supabase. You can directly publish, but I need it in Supabase, so that from Supabase we can in my front end can fetch and show these things. I have a proper structure, everything that is required in my table. I'm just inserting those things one by one, and once this is stored, I can don't auto publish until I approve it. Okay. Okay, this is now stored in our Supabase. I can show you once again. If I come in my table, this is blog section, and let me show you the current one that is just generated. Here is a slug. This is unique thing. Let me show you this one. Okay, this one is generated like here. You can see. Okay, so this is now in our database. Okay, let's move forward and okay, the next one is for another. We are using another LLM that is for we are giving everything to it and asking for writing a LinkedIn post, and giving some rules that this kind of things are required and this is not, and asking for give output like in proper JSON with two fields, like content, that is actual text that we will post, and hashtag for that related to that. Okay, so this is give us and LinkedIn post content. Let me show you that as well. Okay, here we have two things: content, that is our blog post, so our LinkedIn post, and second thing is hashtag. We need these two things for our LinkedIn posting. Now again we are giving it a proper structure in JSON, and next to what we are doing, we are just getting that image that we just scrapped from from, you can see here. I told you that we require this thing, only this regular. We are getting that regular here, and then we are getting it. The purpose of this is to download. The purpose is to download that image, and so that we can publish it further. So for that you just have to write this HTTP request in the get method and just give a URL. It will download it and give you in binary format. Now next you can just publish it. Here this part I will show you. It is just for getting readers from database and sending them email with our new blogs URL. That is a separate thing. Let me show you first a LinkedIn thing. If you come here, we have a LinkedIn post. We are again again asking it to this is not required. This is an extra step. You can skip this one. You already have a content, and that you know posting on LinkedIn, but I'm doing it again. I don't know why. I think this is repetitive step. It will again do the same thing, give us two things that are required for our LinkedIn post. You can skip this as well. Okay, this is post, and this is again repetitive thing. You can just like this is giving us the same thing. You just need this one. From here you need this one. Okay, what you're doing, you just need to connect your LinkedIn first of all with n8n. That is a simple process for personal account, but if you are company account, then this is a bit difficult. You need a valid company that is registered in your country, and then LinkedIn give you permission. I will show you that thing in some other video, but for now I'm assuming that you already have connected your LinkedIn with this, and then just here you are passing the text, and if you need an image, you can select this image from here, and then passing data is nothing but this binary that is we downloaded. Just execute and it will publish. Let me show you this as well. It is published. Now you can, let me show you this in my website, in my LinkedIn account, that it actually published. Mhm. Okay, let it to be finished. With that, we can go back and see our next steps. LinkedIn, we are assuming that LinkedIn post is published. Now, another thing is we just need this one, X image. For this, I will create a separate video, because for simple tweet, you just need not these things are not required. You just have a content that you need to post, and you simply use this one. Create tweet node from here, like search from here, Twitter, and create tweet this one. And in this, what you require is just simple text. Just pass it here. For connecting again, you require a process, but this one is required for image upload, because LinkedIn do not provide simple way to direct publish image post. For that you need to do something, some configuration, and these are for that. I'll show you in some another video. For now, I'm assuming this one was helpful. If you have any question regarding this, you can comment it down, or if you want to reach me, you can reach me through my X. That is let me show you that as well, a URL. This is my username, Sipajit. You can just go and message me out. Okay, let's see if it is open. Okay, if we count this one, okay, 1 minute ago it is published, and yeah, you can see this is published, and all my previous posts are again this published using that automation. So I hope this one was helpful, and if you require anything from here, or you want me to set it up for yourself, just reach me out through my Twitter either, or through my LinkedIn. I've shared both, and yeah, that's all for this video, and I hope this was helpful for all of you. Thank you for watching this video.